Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's workshop. Today I'm going to talk about how to etch your name or message or logo on a metal piece. Okay, so here we have an aluminum beam. It is an aluminum pipe. So how to get your name over here, like this one. I've written Umair in a short form on this etch process. It's not that much clear because I have used masking tape. We have to use the vinyl tape, but the process same. So I have written making some shapes over here. I am gonna take it out and put it up over here. First step, you can make any of your okay, we have this three shapes. If you want to make your own, you can 3D print it out at any shop on a vinyl sticker, and it will be a great for your custom message. Okay, I've taken out all the line. It is easy to make this. I've cut it out this cutter, and I'm gonna put it on the metal surface. Okay, so our stencil is ready. After that, you will need salt water, little bit of salt over here. We are gonna put some drops over the shapes. And then we are going to put any kind of 3 volt to 12 volt voltage, the load over connected to the metal. After that, we need alloy bit. It could be anything. I'm using this alloy drill bit. So let's start. The ground will be connected to the alloy, and be careful when you're using it. As soon as I'm gonna touch the wire, it is gonna make bubbles, start gonna make the etching. Can see start string etching. Just spend 10 to 20 seconds all over the shape. It will be a very great. We have to use about vinyl sticker, the 3D printed one. They are gonna give a very bad result, but this is just experiment for you guys to let you know that it could be happen this way too as well. It is simple and very fast process. Okay, the etching is done. Okay, take it out from the voltage from here. I'm gonna take it out the stencil we have made. Okay, so it is. I'm gonna wipe that with the tissue paper. Okay, it's done. It is the final result. As you can see, it is stitched over the metal, and it cannot be removed easily. Okay, here we have the final result. So it can be made by your name, by your logo or anything else, your custom logo or custom message, so you can create by your own. So this is a very simple method to etch your name or logo over the metal. So be careful when you're using it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.